Water separators with the glass bulb. There's your primer bulbs, your 2 bilge pumps down there. This here's your macerator switch for your toilet. So your shut-off valves are down there, and your pump out switches over there for your toilet to dump out right there. Inspection cap for fuel tank, locks, rear deck steering. Boom, boom. Again, kicker. Okay, get over here. No rear deck light. He may add that later. Open this up. He's got curtains, a grab handle, light. And you want to fill this thing up. Push it out. There you go. Now you just want to fill the toilet. Just hit this button and it fills it. That flushes it. That counts it. And flushes it. So, pretty handy. Then we'll have that door like that. Go ahead and turn this on. Let that start up. And hit accept here. Not now. And we're over in the shallow water, so what I'm going to do is steer this over here. Warning. Oh, low. Warning battery. Aha. So, we better go back here. Got good water flow there. Put these things on parallel. See if that changes that up there. And it did. Now I got my voltage. And there's your Honda gauge. And we're going to get in deeper water. And now I set all these up, and there's like motor seat, gears, forward, neutral, you can RPMs, fuel flow, all that good stuff. 0.92. Then you hit your button here, and I'll go through all this stuff. Like you say, you want to see AIS vessels, you got to turn this on, and it redirected in here through NEMA 2000. So when that beeps, you can just hit no, and then pretty soon I can go back to that, and it'll show my AIS vessel. That's waypoints, really easy to figure out. Tides, I want to see what the tide is. Yep, almost getting into slack, so I'll be about right when I get back over there, probably to get it into the ramp. Vessels, there's my vessels, AIS. Boom, you want to find out about one, you hit it, and it'll tell you all about it. Vessel, where it is, where it's moving, latitude and longitude, bearing, CPA, how many miles. So kind of cool, and it shows up on your screen, which is neat, under radar overlay, so you can actually tell that that's a ship coming that has anybody with AIS. So then you go back in here, you go to menu again, you got alarm set, vessels, trip intel, sun, mood, storage. I can go all through that. Echo, there's your depth finder. Boom, boom, down scan overlay on top of that. Got those settings set for you. Got your side scan. Boom, that's set. Leave it at 455 kilohertz. And you're in forward gear right there. Then you go to down scan with fish reveal overlay. These orange ones are fish. Other ones are just little piss pots or just sluddy or mud floating on top, surface noise. But anything with these bright orange or orange-red dots are like fish. Okay, so then you can go over here, you can go to down scan, we just did that one. Go to radar, and then what you do is you just go over here, you transmit, yep, go on to A, it's detected in the radar. I got that set for 3/4, also sea colors auto, and I got it set for the, you can have these preset harbor, ocean, so on, or just set your own range just by this here in your gains and target tracks. Okay, so you got that, nav aids right here. So that means if I set a waypoint, like say right, I'll go back to charts and I'll go X out of that, I'll go over here. And there's the heater, I can hear it starting up, and I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go to, and I'm going to go to cursor, boom, and then it's going to do a line, that's where I need to go. So then when I go back over here to nav aid, then it's going to show me my time, how far it is to that, how much time it's going to take me to get to that. It's going to fill in gears, and you can change any of these numbers you like. Okay, time pilot, instruments, you go into instruments. This is under your fuel one. There you go, speed over ground, forward, your RPMs, how many gallons you got, your temperature, your oil, depth, speed over ground, course over ground, and flow rate, miles per gallon, heading, and fuel percent left. And the same thing with this gauge, tack, trim,